Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to DIY your own pink lip balm. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so we're going to use Vaseline. You can use any Vaseline of your choice, or a lip gloss or a lip balm of your choice. I have two Vaselines with me today. I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of the Blue Seal Vaseline and then a little of the Familiar Vaseline. These two Vaselines together gives me a very nice fragrance. I'm putting it into my measuring spoons just to be sure that I'm getting 1 tablespoon of the Vaseline. This recipe you can double, you can triple, you can increase the recipe. As always, I would recommend you mix whatever you're mixing in a plastic container using plastic spoons. Don't use metal container to mix anything. Right now I have almond oil. I'm going to be putting 1/3 tablespoon of almond oil. Almond oil is very moisturizing on the skin, so we're going to use it as a moisturizing ingredient for this. I'm going ahead to put my vitamin E oil as well. Vitamin E oil is very moisturizing to the skin as well. Some people are allergic to vitamin E oil, so you can choose to use almond oil and lavender oil for this recipe. It just gives it a nice fragrance and a nice texture, as well as moisturizing to the lips. This balm will only work if it's very moisturizing on your lips. Right now I'm using the rose pink coloring. You just need about 2 to 3 drops of this coloring and add it to your mix. For the coloring, you can also use beetroot juice. That is also a very natural way of getting a pink color. You can choose to use any oils of your choice, but I would recommend sweet almond oil and vitamin oil. They're very moisturizing to the skin. You can as well put in more coloring if you so desire. You can also put in flavor to give your mix, a little bit of fragrance into it, or just make it smell nice for packaging. Make sure you mix everything completely. Make sure you have a small lip chap container or any container of your choice to put this in. I'm using the back of my spoon because that way I'm able to extract everything into the container. That way I'm not losing products in the spoon. So this is the pink lip balm and it's ready for use. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.